Good morning, everyone. So again, we are coming to the session of 10-year paper discussion. And here is a 2019 question, which is very important for your examination. What are the natural regions and how are they different from planning regions? तो उन्होंने पूछा कि what are the natural regions? कि natural regions क्या होते हैं and how they are different from the planning regions. It is a part of regional geography and it is highly important for your examination. The major fight in this particular type of session is that you can complete this question in maximum 7 minutes. And it is not a hard task, but there is a need to fill up few diagrams and few common points. There is no need to write much. And within the 7 minutes, this is a particular type of structure which you people will draw. In the 10 marker question, introduction should be very less. That is only 1 or 2 lines. We can start with that Vladila Blacha initiated the overall region and their studies. And then Kandol and Koppen came out with their maps associated with climatic regions, vegetations, associated with climatic region, associated, that's the vegetations, etc. The study of region is highly important, which is characterized by dualism in geography to understand a particular geographical region in a good manner. This is our starting in a very simple manner, where we introduce with the 3 important people, Vladila Blacha, Kandol, and Koppen in the starting itself. 1 mark. Then what is the natural region? Some important things. Natural regions are the basic geographical units naturally available over the earth, which first time described by Vladila Blacha in its concept of landscaft kunde, which for the first time described by Vladila Blacha in the form of landscaft kunde. And these natural regions are guided by common natural features like geology, that is rock system, geography of particular area, and climatic condition. These are the 3 important elements. No making tukka, koi bhi tukka mat maro yaar. Geology, geomorphology, and climatology. And then I make 1 map from my paper number 2, which is highlighting the Dharwad and Archean rock system. We are showing Karnataka, Dharwad, Archean, Kadapa and nearby region of Andhra Pradesh, Aravalli Hill, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Meghalaya Plateau. And this diagram itself will give you 1 or 2 marks in this question, which is showing the natural regions. Log show karna chahenge Koppen वगैरह में show geology कर रहा हूँ. It is the natural regions. The natural regions therefore become the part of general geography because throughout the world they are same. And that's why Humboldt was the first person who studied the natural regions as a part of general geography. So I'm linking this topic with the perspective, and then examiner will feel happy that this answer is different from other people. And this is the overall charm of Aspire IAS, that we are providing you this type of answers that you people can understand what exactly is geographical answer. Then planning region. Planning regions are the segment of the territory over which a critical word, economic decision making, is applied. So planning regions are any part of the territory over which we are taking or applying the economic decisions. These economic decisions can be applied for a whole country. At that time, the whole country will become a planning region, known as national plan or 5-year plan, which Planning Commission undertook. So these planning regions can be macro, meso, and micro as per the planning units. So when we are considering the whole country as a planning unit, we came out with a national plan. When we considered the whole state as a planning unit, we came out with the state plans. When we considered district as a planning unit, we came out with a district plan. And when we considered agriculture as a planning unit, we came out with the agriculture regions or the agriculture regionalization. Naam de denge from the syllabus only, that the planning regions particularly provided by Randhawa, Peace and Gupta, and Planning Commission in the form of agroclimatic regions. And then I draw a diagram of Randhawa Saab, Who classified the whole India into the 5 agroclimatic regions? Number 1, Himalayas. Number 2, the arid and semi-arid region. Number 3, the rice growing region. Number 4, the peninsular as well as cold cirrus region. And number 5 belong to the rice region. Agriculture regions, agriculture planning regions after Randhawa. Now in the end, I can end with the multi-level planning. Natural region is providing the resource. Planning regions is providing the deficiencies by which we can craft the plan for socio-economic welfare of the people. In present time, planning regions are highly important to empower the citizens. That's why in India, 73rd, 74th Amendment Act initiated the concept of multi-planning or decentralized planning. Bharat Mata ki Jai.